The guard assembly consists of the wheel guard and a quick lock cam assembly already installed to it. The guard attaches to the hub on the grinder's gearbox and covers half of the grinding wheel. It can be adjusted to provide the best safety for your task. The guard can be damaged by dropping the grinder. Eventually, the cam lock can wear out. Replacing your grinder's guard is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless grills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the nut from the grinder. I'll engage the spindle lock and use my wrench to remove the nut. Now I can remove the flange that's located beneath the nut. It has an O-ring that holds it to the spindle, so a couple of screwdrivers can be helpful to pry it off. Now I'll rotate the guard around until the large tab on the guard aligns with the large opening on the hub. Then I can just pull the guard away from it. Now I can install the new guard. Again, I'll align the large tab with the large opening. Rotate the guard around to where I want it located on the grinder and lock it in place. If you need to adjust the tension on the cam latch, you can do that by adjusting this screw. Now I can reinstall the flange. I align the recess on the back of the flange with the spindle. Press it onto the spindle. I'll engage the spindle lock and make sure that the recess aligned with the spindle. And that looks good. Now I'll reinstall the nut. I would place whatever grinding wheel I was using onto the grinder. If I'm using a standard grinding wheel, I'll install the nut so the side with the 7/8 flange is down against the wheel. If I was using a cutoff wheel or a diamond cutting wheel, I would install the flange so the flush side is against the wheel. Then I just thread the nut onto the spindle, engage the spindle lock, and secure the nut with the wrench. And that's how you replace the 5-inch guard assembly on your grinder. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.